Hi, I received this package with 300-400 swatches from Printed Fabrics and daVinci in Italy. daVinci have stock fabrics ready for immediate delivery in a lot of different qualities and different colors. Printed Fabrics have a huge selection of fabrics ready to print. You can print your own designs or you can choose between loads of prints in the factory. Delivery time for prints varies between 2 to 4 weeks depending on quality. Roughly, it's 2 weeks for polyesters, 3 weeks for viscoses, cuprum cotton and 4 weeks for silks. The minimum order quantity is only 2 meters. If you buy more than 10 meters, you will have a more convenient price. And of course, if you buy more than 200 or 300 meters, you will have an even better price. They offer almost any fabric you would possibly want. They have 5 different boxes with swatches, one with lightweight fabric suiting for blouses, shirts and scarves, one with mid-weight fabrics suiting for trousers, skirts and dresses, one with heavyweight fabric suiting for jackets and outerwear, another one with the ready plain fabrics from daVinci. The last one is the one that I have here, with the complete collections from both Printed Fabrics and daVinci. If you want to see the collections, you can order your box from the website printedfabrics.it. You get 10% discount when you insert the code SK2021. Of course, if you're looking for a specific fabric, they will send you a hanger with it. When you receive your hangers, you can go to the site using the shortcode T.ly/prints and scan the QR code to see the prices. This is the COVID-19 safe way to see the collection. Hope you enjoy it. Follow Printed Fabrics on Instagram to see the upcoming news. Now, I wish you the very best luck with your creative project. Bye for now!